Hey everyone, welcome back to another plan with me, and this week we are going to be using this kit from my Etsy shop, and this one is called Christmas Magic. This is a really fun kit because it is like non-traditional Christmas colors, which don't get me wrong, I love Christmas colors, but there's just something about like a non-traditional kind of colorway that I always really love. So this one definitely goes a little bit more of like a pastel kind of pop of color type of kit, but if you're also wanting something just a little bit different than your standard green and red and gold kind of Christmas colors, then this is definitely a really great option for that. So I know Christmas has already passed, but if you are looking for this kit for next year, then definitely check out the link below to my Etsy planner sticker shop. So for this week, for my little chat, I honestly have no idea what I want to talk about. So if you guys ever have any suggestions or topics or things you want me to ramble on about or give my thoughts or opinions on, definitely leave me a comment below and let me know just some topics or ideas or anything you want to hear me talk about, because honestly, week after week, it does get a little bit hard for me to think of something to talk about. And I know that these videos don't get many views at all, but that is totally fine. It's kind of just like a fun little chit chatty kind of like plan with me type of style of videos. So if anything comes to mind, definitely let me know. So I guess the one thing that is on my mind at the moment is a little bit of like, you'll get a heads up on my thoughts on the makeup challenge that I have been kind of doing this year so far. So if you guys watched a couple of my plan with me's ago, I think it might have been the one before last, I talked about different things that I'm doing for 2025 as far as like my makeup collection goes. And as I mentioned in that video, I said that this year I was not going to focus so much on trying to use up makeup items like I have been in the past several years, but this year I'm actually going to focus more on like rotating a set of makeup items each week and really kind of just getting to play and explore with my makeup collection again, which I haven't done in several years. And I wanted to give like a little update on that so far, now that I'm about 3 weeks into this new little challenge, I guess. And I've actually been really loving this. Like, I knew I was going to like this idea when I was thinking about it towards like the last few months of 2024. I knew that I wanted to do something different, and I was like, okay, how am I going to shake this up a little bit? And that is when I came up with that idea, which honestly is a very like duh kind of idea. How revolutionary, you're going to actually use your makeup items. Wow. I know it's definitely one of those like very obvious kind of things, but I have been doing it now for 3 weeks, and I have to say it is something that is such a small little change that I've been doing, and I love it so much. Every week I get so excited to actually look forward to Mondays, because that is when I pick my new collection of makeup to use for the week. So it actually gives me a little bit something to look forward to at the beginning of the week. I am definitely not one of those people that just like get excited for Mondays. It's definitely like probably one of the my least favorite days. I definitely get a lot of the Sunday scaries, if you guys are familiar with that. Kind of like the anxiety or the depression or the anticipation of the next week and going back to work and things like that. So I definitely suffer from the Sunday scaries, but this is one like little thing in my life that gets me really excited for a Monday to try out some new batch of makeup that I have in my collection. And the other thing that I really love is that I feel like as I'm using these new sets of items, I'm actually like remembering, oh, I liked this, or I didn't like that, or I used to like this product and I don't like it anymore, which is really interesting because now I kind of feel like I have a better idea of what I think about a lot of these items in my makeup collection. Now I have probably cycled through more or less probably like 30 to 40 items now, depending on, you know, how many items I have picked for the week. But I've definitely gone back to some items that I know I used to swear by and I used to love. And I don't know if it's just because maybe the item itself is a little bit on the older side, or if my opinions of the item has actually changed, but there's actually been several like holy grail items of mine that I used to swear up and down by, and I'm not as impressed with them as I used to be. So it's definitely really interesting at just how much your taste in makeup items can change. So it's really interesting to just see like how many items I used to be a really big fan of, and now I'm maybe like not as big of a fan of it before, or I am trying out things that I used to love and I just stopped using them for some reason, and I'm picking them back up and remembering so much why I loved those items. So that's always a really fun feeling as well. And I'm also even playing around with things that I might have only used like once or twice and didn't really give like a good solid try with those items, just because I have so many things to cycle through. So overall, I've just been really having a blast with this so far, and I'm really excited that I decided to do this kind of makeup challenge for this year, because I know that at least with how far I've gotten already just in the 3 weeks that I've been doing this, how many items I have been able to actually like cycle through and remind myself what I think about them. It has been so much fun, and honestly, I've got 49 more weeks to do this, so I think this is going to be a really great way to play with my makeup collection again. And like I said, I get so excited for the beginning of a new week, and just playing around with some like new makeup items has really been itching that scratch for me as far as like not buying as many things. Now I will have to say I did actually just place a very large makeup collection order. So if you are a regular watcher of my makeup videos, I imagine you would be. I don't think there's too many people that only watch my plan with me videos and don't watch my makeup videos, but you guys are going to be like in on a little bit of a secret, because so few of you guys watch these videos. I think I'm going to start putting like a little bit more sneak peek kind of details in here, because you guys are like the real OGs. If you actually watch these videos and enjoy them and comment and thumbs up these videos, it means the world to me. So with the big makeup order that I actually just placed a couple of days ago, for the first time ever, I have actually purchased the entire collection of the Flower Nose Strawberry Cupid collection. It was a big money commitment, but I have to say, you guys, this collection looks so amazing. There are so many awesome products I am excited to try, and I'm not gonna lie, yes, the collector box really did play a big part in me wanting to purchase this collection. And I don't know if I'll ever buy like a full collection like this again, because it was a lot of money, and I went back and forth on trying to decide whether I was going to purchase it or not. It won out. So just a little sneak peek, I will be doing the entire collection review of the Strawberry Cupid collection. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get it in. It's probably gonna be a few weeks before it gets here, but I'm so unbelievably excited, and I really want to do as much of like an in-depth review that I can do for this collection, since I actually do have all of the colors of these items. I just really want my video to have a lot of like, you know, usefulness to it. I'm going to be swatching everything, sharing all my thoughts like I always do in all my videos, but it'll be really fun to actually be able to review an entire collection for you guys. All right, so that was just a little sneak peek. If you guys made it this far in the video, definitely leave a comment down below with a strawberry emoji in it. It'll be our little secret. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on social media. Links are below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.